Welcome to Freegrounds Junior School!
We aspire to aim high, believe in who we are and achieve beyond our dreams.
We are a friendly, caring school where our voices are heard and every one of us matters. Adults at our school care for everyone.
We have 4 important expectations: that we are kind, polite, respectful and hard-working.
We also have our learning behaviours, which we work hard to develop and which help us to improve as learners.
We are resilient.
We believe that challenges are good and help us to grow. We are independent. We are self-motivated and consider what we need to succeed.
We are creative. We use our imagination to solve problems. We value teamwork. We listen and encourage each other so we can achieve a shared goal.
We are reflective. We step back from situations to think how we can learn from them.
We are critical thinkers. We ask curious and inquisitive questions.
We are pro-social. We believe that other people's thoughts and experiences are important, and we try to behave in ways that are good for everybody.
Lessons at Freegrounds are hands-on and fun.
We are all able to learn in ways which work well for us. Everyone experiences success.
We have lots of opportunities to learn outside of our classroom.
Our curriculum inspires everyone to be curious and make a difference to the world around us.
We know our voices matter and that adults will always be there to listen and guide.
We are proud to lead as sports leaders, eco-reps, and in many other leadership roles.
We contribute to the life of our school.
Our school is a place where everyone belongs, where children feel safe, valued, and understood.
Freegrounds is a wonderful school.